Friends, as on the screen you can see sales forecast of an organization is given, and the organization wants to increase their forecast by 10%. So how to increase it with the help of paste special, we are going to see that. For that, write down 1.1 in any of the cells. 1.1 means 1 plus 10%. So you copy this 1.1, select the target cells, right click, paste special, and there is an option called multiply, and you press OK, and you see all the cells are increased by 10%, and the data is a constant data, no formula is there. Let us see another example. Here in this example, the two columns are given, sales target of product 1 and product 2, and the total is there. Here the formula is inserted to calculate the total. Now see all this. In the earlier case, in the last, we see here there were no formula, it was only a constant number, but here the number is a formula. Now it says that we need to modify the forecast by 10%. So again the process will be same. Write down 1.1, copy this 1.1, select the target cells, go to paste. It is in the home tab, the first feature is paste. Click on this paste, click on paste special, and click on multiply and OK. Now see all the data is multiplied by 1.1, and that means the forecast is increased by 10%. And you see each and every cell the formula is modified. You see on the top in a formula bar it is modified by 1.1 each and every cell. Let us do Ctrl Z. Now second part of the problem is it says every quarter month by 20%. Now modify the forecast every quarter by 20%. That means in every quarter, in the third month, in the first quarter March, in the second quarter March, in the third quarter September, and in the fourth quarter December. It wants to increase this by 20%, and rest it would like to remain the same. What we can do like it, we can have 1, 1 and 1.2 for 20%. Now what happened is the 1 is multiplied by 685, then the second one is multiplied by 600, and the third 1.2 will multiply by the March sale, that is 1030, and in this manner it will follow the rest of the data. So let us copy down the source data, select the destination data, right click, paste special, multiply. See when you get multiply, the 685 is multiplied by 1, 600 by 1, and 1030 by 1.2, and we press it OK. See now only the month, quarter and are modified, and rest of the is same. And you see the formula is also modified. In the first month January, formula is into 1, second month is into 1, but the third one it is 1 to 1.2, and it is similar on the same. Now I had lost my formatting. What I'll do is I can copy all this here and drag it down like this, and there is an option here, and I'll do it here, fill formatting only. So now I get the formatting, and I also get the modified data as desired.